Hey everybody, Ryan and Crystal here. In this video, you will see us jump up to Cayo Costa Island for Memorial Day weekend. We're going to hang out on a stunning Cayo Costa beach with some good friends, have some burgers, some dogs, and have a great weekend. It's another example of why I think Southwest Florida is one of the best boating destinations in Florida. I mean, just look at this place. It is heaven on earth. A total, deserted island feeling up here at Cayo Costa. Cayo Costa is a barrier island here in Southwest Florida, located north of Sanibel Island. The barrier islands kind of go Fort Myers Beach, Sanibel, Captiva, North Captiva, and then Cayo Costa, heading north. Every weekend you'll find dozens of boats anchored up here on Cayo Costa. If there isn't a west wind that's making the Gulf rough, this is a fantastic place to drop anchor and spend the day and have a great sandbar day, just like Crystal and I are doing right here.
Is that Nevermind special?
Oh, what's that?
Stuff in your face.
Yeah.
Do a little wave.
Burgers, dogs, and the Gulf of Mexico by boat. Doesn't get any better than this. We anchored up on the south end of Cayo Costa, and this view of the drone is flying south. Here you can see North Captiva Island out there in the distance, another stunning barrier island. And the pass is called Captiva Pass. That's the body of water in between North Captiva and Cayo Costa. Fun fact for you, Cayo Costa is a state park here in Florida. It is 9 miles long and covered in white sandy beaches. It really is a paradise. It is completely undeveloped. I believe there are only a few houses on the island, and they were grandfathered in from a long time ago. But other than that, it is a completely like a deserted island feeling, and a very special place here in Southwest Florida. What'd you get?
Bottle, plastic bottle.
More trash. Good job, Crystal.
Trying to save the world. One bottle at a time.
One bottle at a time. After Cayo Costa, we headed south back to our home port of Fort Myers Beach. Here you can see the old rustic Fort Myers Beach shrimping fleet. They took a lot of damage in Hurricane Ian. They're still getting their feet back underneath them. We got back after the storage barn was closed, so Crystal and I decided to reprovision the boat and sit on the boat and watch sunset right in front of Parrot Key Caribbean Grill and Salty Sands Marina. It was a beautiful sunset and a great way to end a Memorial Day weekend beach day. Another time.